Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at the takeaways from the richest man in Babylon. Pay yourself first. It is a powerful analogy to see every expense you have as you are slaving away for someone else. Let me explain. If your net income is 10,000 rupees a month and your rent is 5,000 rupees, you are basically spending half of your income to the landlord. Think of it this way and it will be much easier to handle your cravings for spending money. So once you get your salary, before any other expenditure, pay yourself 1/10 of that amount. This way you make sure that you always earn money for yourself before spending it away. The second takeaway, men of action are favored by the goddess of luck. Most humans, by seeing other successful people such as Zlatan, Shah Rukh Khan or Sachin Tendulkar, attribute all that to pure luck. They come up with all kinds of excuses for why they are not in the same positions as these mentioned people, such as, well, they have talent, they met the right people at the right time, or they were born into it. While this might be the case of some successful people, it is certainly not for the large majority of them. What just brought them all together though is that they have been taking action. Picture this, a procrastinator and a doer is faced with opportunities. So in this way, the procrastinator and the doer have the same chance to thrive. What separates them though is the number of opportunities that they try out. A procrastinator will always come up with excuses. I don't feel good today. I actually had a rough day at work. Nope, the stars are not aligned today. Whereas the doer makes the most out of this opportunity. Therefore, the chances the doer will be lucky and succeed at some point is way higher than that of the procrastinator. The third takeaway, wealth is not a matter of income. A lot of smart people earn good money. Yet, they have nothing to show for in their bank accounts. Every time they get an increase in salary, they increase their spending with the same amount. They have more premium accounts than they have friends. Piles of clothes which they never broke the tag. This is foolish in so many ways. Primarily because it's a huge risk that you're taking which could handcuff you to your current job. If you don't get that salary every month, what is then going to happen to your house, your car, or even your stereo? Now when boss tells you to clean up the toilets for the third time that afternoon, you want to tell him to go F. But then you think about the house, the car and the stereo and you say, yes sir, that would be lovely, right away. No matter who you are or what your degree is, everyone must obey the law of income minus expenditures equals savings. No matter if you're an engineer or McDonald's crew member or even MS Dhoni, the law applies the same. The fourth takeaway, act when the time is right. Great opportunities are rare and should never be missed out. For personal finance and investing, such an opportunity sometimes means that you must cut your expenditure a little more than usual. The fifth takeaway, the power of passive income. Once you start to obey under the rule number 1, pay yourself first, you will accumulate a lot of cash over time. While this feels good on its own, there is something even better to come. As soon as possible, you should start to put your hard-earned money at work. The good thing about money is that unlike yourself, it never has to rest. Your money will continue to work for you even if you're in class, if you're hanging out at the gym, or even when you're asleep. This will cause your money to grow exponentially. The good thing about exponential is that they multiply over time and earning becomes easier and easier and easier. Hope you guys enjoyed that takeaway video. If you want to see more content such as this, do subscribe to our channel, and if you'd like to learn more about intraday trading and technical analysis, get in touch with our team at Havenspire. Have a good day.